यार वरुण, मेरे को एक चीज़ बताना, मतलब ये इंडस्ट्री में जैसा मैंने बहुत बार देखा है कि पीआर टीम की बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती है एक्टर्स को। सो व्हेन यू केम टू दिस इंडस्ट्री और जब आपको पता चला कि यार पीआर टीम की तो ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, तो व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन? बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग यार पहले से नहीं मालूम पड़ता ना कि पीआर चाहिए, सोशल मीडिया टीम चाहिए, बिकॉज फॉर द स्टार किड्स इट इज़ लाइक वो तो उनके लिए दे हैव बीन इन दैट फैमिली, उन्होंने देखा है, दे हैव ग्रोन अप टू सीइंग ऑल दिस थिंग राइट इन द नेबरहुड राइट। तो व्हेन यू केम टू नो कि अच्छा पीआर टीम करना पड़ता है, सोशल मीडिया टीम चाहिए, ये सब खुद का प्रेजेंस दिखाने के लिए, तो वो रिएक्शन क्या था, वो फीलिंग कैसी थी फिर?
या टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, ऑब्वियसली पता तो था ही नहीं कुछ भी, कैसे होता है क्या नहीं होता है, मैनेजमेंट क्या होती है, पीआर क्या होती है, मैनेज मतलब योर बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट टीम्स क्या होती है, सोशल मीडिया टीम्स क्या होती है, ये तो पता ही नहीं था। तो नथिंग, ऐसे कुछ पता नहीं था। एंड ऑब्वियसली इट्स ऑल्सो चेंज्ड, लाइक द इंटायर मीडिया इज चेंज्ड इन द पास्ट 1 decade. I mean, everything has changed. Like earlier, just to be on the front page of a physical paper, felt in a very different manner than to be on X's feed in a thing, right? So that it's changed. I mean, from that front page to a feed, and to be on a particular portal's feed का उस पे या फिर सर्च के अंदर is more of you. So I mean, it's all changed there, and I feel it's a very personal choice. It's a very, very personal choice. I think there are so many people who are very silently doing their work,
Yeah.
and who are not in your face and silently doing their work, and very, very content and happy
Right,
the way they're doing
right.
it. And at the same time, there are certain people who are doing great work, but
Yeah.
also are there, like whether it's PR or whether it's your whatever XYZ, मतलब आप I don't know, I can't find the word for it, but जो वो driven चीज़ें भी उस पे ज़्यादा करके करते हैं, तो वो भी हैं. So it's a very personal choice. It's very
काफी
personal.
सब्जेक्टिव है फिर तो
काफी
ये सारी
सब्जेक्टिव है
चीजें।
भाई. मतलब
या
certain people who go to the airport wants to get papped, and certain people who go to the airport who don't want to get papped.
एग्जैक्टली।
So it's a very personal choice. It's a very personal thing. There are certain people who just want to go in a pajama and go from a
Yeah,
door and
it's such
wear
a comfort
a cap
zone.
and a mask and just enter
Yeah,
and board the flight and reach wherever they have to.
true,
There are certain
true.
people who wants to dress up and go to the airport, board the safe flight. So it's a very subjective thing, and neither no one is wrong and neither no one is right. Neither there's it is supposed to be done and that's the way it should be. Neither it's like this shouldn't be done and this is not supposed to be. So again, as I said, it is a very personal choice. I think whoever is doing more of it, whoever wants to do more of it, or whoever wants to be seen on that feed every now and then is a great. It's their personal choice, and it's their personal choice. It's their own money. It's their मतलब उनकी विश है वो चीज़,
Right,
which is
right.
correct, and absolutely I have huge respect for that as well. Wherein someone who's just very comfortable in their own house wants to just go work, come back, and not be seen a lot for any other reason than just for promotions of their particular ventures whenever they're coming out is their own choice. So respect to that also. So I mean, you just have to find your own, personal comfort, bro, and you just have to find your own personal calling. So there's nothing right or wrong or कि यार ये सही है, ये गलत है, या फिर ये ज़्यादा करना चाहिए, कम करना चाहिए. आपको जिसमें खुशी मिले यार. बंदे को जिसको नहीं करना उसको आप ज़बरदस्ती कराओगे, उसको उसमें खुशी नहीं मिलेगी. जिसको ज़्यादा करना है आप उसको होल्ड बैक करोगे, उसको उसमें खुशी नहीं मिलेगी. तो इट्स अ वेरी सब्जेक्टिव थिंग, एंड आई थिंक at the end of the day, once you go back to bed, you just have to sleep happily, and you should just be happy, bro. I mean, that's my perspective.
ट्रू ट्रू
That's
ट्रू।
my
अच्छा
perspective.
मेरे को एक बात बताना, एक्टर्स को कितना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ इट्स आउटसाइडर्स या कोई स्टार किड्स हो, आफ्टर ऑल एक्टर्स ही है राइट, तो एक्टर्स कितना इनसिक्योर फील करते हैं ये इंडस्ट्री में?
यार I mean, actors insecure कितना फील करते हैं? फील तो करते होंगे यार. I mean,
एंड मैन इट्स अ ह्यूमन नेचर ओनली। आई मीन
It's a
इफ यू
human
आस्क मी
nature.
आल्सो, मैं भी तो
Yeah.
इनसिक्योर फील करता हूँ मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर्स से।
हाँ यार. I
Right.
mean, insecure आप करते होगे
हाँ.
100%, but at the same time,
हाउ यू टेक इट?
how you take it,
Yeah.
how you take it, how you deal with it. To feel insecure is great because it gives you that more rush and it gives you that more power. But to feel insecure to an extent where you're not comfortable in your own thought process, that is not correct. So that balance has to be correct. I mean, it's is if it's giving you that drive and to work more towards something and all that, it's great, feel insecure. But if it's somewhere, it's affecting you, then don't feel insecure.